My mother came from a very religious home and wanted to get away from that. Left there knowing they'd never go back. And I have some letters that would just break your heart that my aunt sent to my mother about how her mother felt, not knowing what was going on. And I translated these for the kids. And she said, just let us know how you're doing. Tell us about everybody, and just put your name to the paper, even if it's in English. And I just want to hold it close to my heart. Just breaks your heart, knowing that they'd never see them again. I mean, how could you not love that?